For cleaning and maintenance purposes, remove the cool evaporative media periodically and spray with a garden hose or wipe down with a soft bristled brush thoroughly to maintain performance and longevity. Depending on the quality of maintenance or frequency of use, cool evaporative media typically lasts up to 5 years. However, should you have any questions about the life of the media in your Portacool cooler, please contact our customer care department for more detailed information. When you are ready to replace your media, be sure to unplug your Portacool cooler before doing any maintenance. When present, lock the casters to keep the cooler from moving while you are working on it. Remove the black flap from the evaporative cooler. The flap is attached to the top of the evaporative cooler with screws. Remove the screws and set the flap aside. All cool evaporative media must be removed before accessing the inside of the evaporative cooler. Always remove the center set of media first by grasping at the top and tilting out towards you. While tilting the media out, lift up and out of the base of the cooler. Remove the remaining media in the same manner. Once all the media has been removed, you should have access to the inside of the evaporative cooler and all the internal components. Replace your cool media by beginning on the outer edges and working towards the center. Pay close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrow stickers should point up and inward to make sure the media is installed properly. Replace the media flap, securing it with the screws. If you have any questions, please contact our customer care team or fill out our contact form on portacool.com. Portacool is here to keep America cool.